Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. See, 12th standard CBSE chapter 5 exercise 5.7 8th sum. Find d square y by dx square. Find d square y by dx square, second order derivative. See, 8th one, y equal to tan inverse of x. Y equal to tan inverse of x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. What is the differentiation of tan inverse of x? Yeah, 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Then I will write in such a way like this: x square whole power minus 1. 1 plus x square whole power minus 1 is my dy by dx. This is the answer for dy by dx. Now we move on to d square y by dx square. I told you very clearly. Again you have to differentiate with respect to x of dy by dx. dy by dx. So you will write it here. d by dx of, what is the value of dy by dx? 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. See here how you can differentiate it. How many terms, how many parts are there? Chain rule differentiation, 2 parts. 1 in the power, next 1 plus x square. So n into x power n minus 1. The total term is x. n into x power n minus 1. So the power part is over. Power part is over. Then you move on to, you concentrate on 1 plus x square. 1 become 0 plus x square become 2x. You bring the power down to x. Is it clear? See, n into x power n minus 1. Then you will differentiate on 1 plus x square. 1 becomes 0 and x square becomes 2x. You bring the power down and you reduce one value minus 1 from the power. So 2x. What is this? You will write minus 2x. Minus 2x into 1 plus x square power minus 2. X square power minus 2. So d square y by dx square equal to minus 2x into 1 plus x square power minus 2. So you will write minus 2x by, because the power in the negative, you bring it to the denominator. So minus 2x by 1 plus x square the whole square. Clear? See the 9th sum. Log of log x. Let y equal to log of log x. Let y equal to log of log x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. How many parts are there? Log of x. That full term is x. Log of x. In the place of x is log x is there. Then you will differentiate log x. Okay. So what is the differentiation of log of x? 1 by log x. Log of x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. But in the place of x, what is the value is here? Log x into. What is the differentiation of log x? Because this part is over. What is the differentiation of log x? Log x is 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to 1 by x log x. 1 by x log x. I will write it here. Dy by dx equal to x log x power minus 1. Bring it to the numerator. X log x power minus 1. Again differentiation. Dy by dx become d square y by dx square. See, dy by dx become d square y by dx square. Straight away I will do d square y by dx square. See, first power. First you will concentrate on power. Then move on to the second part is x log x. See, x log x. X log x. Two terms x are there. So we can use it as a product rule. Okay, u v dash plus v u dash. It gives n into first power, n into x power n minus 1. In the place of x, what is the value here? X log x. N into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. Then you move on to x log x. X log x is uv formula. This is u and this is v. U v dash plus v u dash. X into, what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x plus x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. X into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into 1. X get cancelled. So what is the answer here? Minus x log x power minus 2. Minus x log x power minus 2 into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. So d square y by dx square equal to, power should not be negative. So you will write minus of 1 plus log x, minus of 1 plus log x by x log x the whole square. You bring the denominator x log x the whole square. So this is the answer for d square by dx square. Shri Guru Namaha children. See, this is 10th sum. Sin of log x. Find d square by dx square. See, y equal to, let us take it as, let y equal to sin of log x. Let y equal to sin of log x. Dy by dx. Differentiate y with respect to x. Sin of. Sin of means cos of. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So, cos x, in the place of x, what is the value here? Log x. In the place of x, what is the value? Log x. Then differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So, you will write cos of log x by x. You will use u by v formula also, or you can use it as uv formula also. You will write in such a way, see, x power minus 1 into cos of log x. Now you can use it as a product rule, u v dash plus v u dash, or if you want you can write cos of log x by x. You use it as a quotient rule, u by v formula also. Okay, see here, dy by dx equal to x power minus 1 cos of log x power minus 1 cos of log x. Again differentiation. Differentiation of dy by dx is nothing but what? D square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. You can use it as a uv formula. uv dash plus v u dash. U value is x to the power minus 1. Differentiation of cos of x. What is the value of cos of x? Minus sin x. In the place of x, what is the value there? log x. So minus sine of log x, minus sine of log x, u into v dash. Two parts are there. That one part is what? Cos of x. Cos of x is minus sine of log x. Then differentiation of log x. Log x is nothing but what? 1 by x. Log x is differentiation is 1 by x. U v dash. V dash is cos of x. In the place of x, log x is there. So you will write minus sine of x. X place is replaced by log x. Then differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus v log x. V is log x. U dash. U dash is n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. V. V is cos of log x. V is cos of log x. Cos of log x into u dash. N into x power n minus 1. Minus n into x power, that is minus 1 into x power n minus 1. So what is the value for this? See here, x power minus 1, that is minus of sine of log x by x. X plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, x power minus 2, x power minus 2 cos of log x, x power minus 2 cos of log x. It gives, you bring down, because the power is in a negative, you bring down minus sine of log x by, you bring down x into x, x into x minus cos of log x by, you bring down x square. So what is the value? See, d square y by dx square equal to x minus, minus you can take it out, minus you can take it out, or you will write minus sine of log x by x square minus cos of log x by x square, cos of log x by x square minus, commonly you can take it out, so minus into sine of log x plus sine of log x plus cos of log x, sine of log x plus cos of log x whole divided by x square is the common denominator, so I will write x square minus, you can take it as commonly out, sine of log x plus cos of log x by x square. See the 11th sum. If y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. D square by dx square plus y equal to 0. See, let us take it as y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 5 into, what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x minus 3 into differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So it gives minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Okay. Then d square by dx square. D square y by dx square, you will differentiate again dy by dx. D square by dx square equal to minus 5, because it is in a product, So the constant term will come along with that term. Okay. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus 3 into what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 5 into differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus 3 into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So, d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square equal to minus 5 cos x. Minus 5 cos x, minus into minus become plus 3 sin x, plus 3 sin x. D square y by dx square equal to minus, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 5 cos x minus, okay, minus 3 sin x. See, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So what is the value for this? 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. It's nothing but the value of y. It's nothing but the value of y. From 1 you will write from 1 d square y by dx square equal to minus y. It implies, see, d square y by dx square, you bring minus y to the next side. What is the answer? Plus y equal to 0. Hence the proof. Okay. See the 12th sum. If y equal to cos inverse of x, find d square by dx square in terms of y. The final answer should be in terms of y alone. Okay, see here, y equal to cos inverse of x. Let y equal to cos inverse of x. Differentiate dy by dx equal to, differentiate y with respect to x. What is the differentiation of cos inverse of x? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So you will write dy by dx equal to minus 1 into. This root is nothing but a power 1 by 2. Root is nothing but a power 1 by 2. So you will write 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Why? I can bring it into the what? Numerator. Okay. So minus 1 into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. The term into the numerator, it become minus. See here, dy by dx equal to minus of 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Then again differentiate d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Differentiation of dy by dx is what? D square by dx square. It is in a power. How many terms are there? 2 terms. One is in a power. The next is 1 minus x square. So n into minus of minus 1 by 2. n into x power. n into x power. n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. See, n into minus already is there. So n into n value is minus 1 by 2. n into x power n minus 1. Power part is over. Then you concentrate on 1 minus x square. 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0 because it is a constant. There is no x term. It is not in a product form also. Okay. 1 becomes 0 minus x square. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay. So you will write it here. See, minus into minus become plus. Already minus is there. So totally minus. Minus into minus become plus. Plus into minus. Minus because all in the product form. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square whole power. You can take the LCM. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. You can take the LCM. It's nothing but what? Minus 1 minus 2 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 into 2x. Because already minus into minus become plus, plus into minus, minus I wrote here. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square minus 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 get cancel. 2 get cancel. See, d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square equal to minus x by 1 minus x square whole power. Because the power is negative, you bring to the denominator whole power 3 by 2. So this is the value of d square by dx square, but what is given in the question, find d square by dx square in terms of y alone. Okay, in terms of y. See here, what is y? Y equal to cos inverse of x. Y equal to cos inverse of x. What is the value of x? You replace x value by y. So x equal to cos y. You bring it to this side. X equal to cos y. Y equal to cos inverse of x. X equal to cos y. You substitute here. D square y by dx square equal to minus x become cos y by 1 minus x square. X square is nothing but what? Cos square y. X become cos square y whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but what? Sin square theta. So d square y by dx square equal to minus cos y by sin square y whole power 3 by 2. Because 1 minus cos square y by is sin square y. 2 and 2 get cancel. So what is the answer? See, d square y by dx square equal to minus cos y by sin cube y. 2 get cancel. Sin cube y. So it gives minus cos y by, I will take that sin cube y is sin y into sin square y. Sin y. Okay. That sin cube I will separate into sin square. Into 1 by sin square y. 1 by sin square y. Therefore, d square y by dx square equal to minus cos y by sin y is nothing but what? Therefore, d square y by dx square cos y by sin y is nothing but what? Minus cot y. Minus cot y. 1 by sin is nothing but what? Cosecant. Cosecant square y. So it gives the answer minus cot y into cosecant square y, because 1 by sin is cosecant. Cosecant square y.